So we want to find an equation for a line with the same x-intercept as the line 2x plus 5y minus 4 equals 0, and the same y-intercept as the line 3x minus 2y plus 8 equals 0. Let's start by finding the x and y intercepts of both these lines. For our first line, we know that x-intercepts occur only when y equals 0. So let's replace y with 0 and solve for x. 5 times 0 is 0, so we're left with 2x minus 4 equals 0. Isolating for x gives us x equals 4 over 2, which is x equals 2. So our x-intercept here is 2, 0. Now let's find the y-intercept of our second line. Very similar, we know that the y-intercept occurs only when x equals 0, so let's replace x with 0 and solve for y. 3 times 0 is 0, which leaves us with minus 2y plus 8 equals 0, which gives us y equals minus 8 over minus 2, which equals y equals 4. Therefore, our y-intercept is 0, 4. Now that we have our 2 points here, we can start solving for the equation of our line. We know from y-intercept form y equals mx plus b, where m is the slope and b is the y-intercept. Let's find the slope value of this equation. We know that slope is rise over run, which is a difference in y's, y2 minus y1, over x2 minus x1, difference in x. Let's use this point here as our y2 and x2, and this point as our y1 and x1. 4 minus 0 over 0 minus 2 simplifies to 4 over minus 2, which is minus 2. Now that we have our slope and 2 points, we can plug in these values into point slope, which is y minus y1 equals m times x minus x1. Let's use our x-intercept as y1 and x1. Let's open up this bracket and distribute the terms inside. And this is our final answer in the equation of the line in y-intercept form.